हेलो किड्स, स्वागत आप सभी को हमारे नए वीडियो में। आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट ए टू जेड। A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dinosaur. E for egg. F for flower. Z for grape. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for net. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for village. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Bye bye kids.